Sit comfortably on a cushion or a chair. At the beginning, you might want to sit against a wall to support your back. Create a calm environment with candles or incense. Use additional pillows underneath your knees or other body regions to make you more comfortable, or you could try to lay down instead of sitting.
I'm okay like this, thank you.
Before starting, put on some music to calm
okay.
you. Not this type of music. Calm music.
Calm music.
Set a digital timer. You can start with 5 minutes and work your way up to 10, then 15 and eventually 20.
Okay, timer.
Breathe normally through your nose with your mouth closed. Your eyes can be open or closed. Focus on your breath moving in and out of your nostrils or on the rise and fall of your belly. When you notice your mind starts wandering, bring it gently back to your breath. Try to think about nothing.
But I can control it.
Focus on your breaths.
Okay.
Count them or repeat a word or phrase by yourself. Are you falling asleep?
Yes, a little bit.
Just focus on the spot
Okay.
next to you. That's normal because you're starting to relax.
Hey,
Tell me,
my back hurts.
adjust your pose a little bit. Maybe move the cushions.
Okay.
Hey, how do you feel?
I don't feel anything special.
Maybe you had high expectations.
Yeah, maybe.
With meditation, you only rest the mind. Try to avoid the unrealistic expectations that something monumental is going to occur.